Hello everyone, in this video we'll be seeing on how to convert a decimal number to a binary and a binary back to a decimal number. Alright, so let's just deep dive into this session. Alright, so yeah, any binary number as such is like represented with the base of 2, and decimal numbers are represented with the base of 10. Why 10 and why 2 is because in decimal numbers are represented starting from all the way from 0 to 9. So these are the different combinations that we have. So total of 10 different combinations. That's why you have base of 10 for the decimal numbers, whereas in binary numbers all the numbers are represented as zeros and ones. So basically two different combinations at every single place. So it's represented with a base of 2. And that being said, let's just take an example of one specific decimal number and convert it into binary. So let's take the decimal number 234. Alright, so in order for us to convert a decimal number to binary, we have to continuously divide that number by 2 and just accumulate the accumulate the remainders that we have. My bad. Right, so let me just divide this number continuously by 2. So you have 2 1 and then another 1, 7s are 14, 0, and then you have divide by 2 again, 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, remainder is 1, and then you divide by 2 again. So 4 9s are 18, 0, and then 2, 1 4s are 8, and then a remainder 1, 2 7, remainder 0, 2 3, remainder 1, 2 into 1 is 2, and then you have a remainder of 1. So the equivalent conversion of this particular number to a binary number is 234 of a base 10 is represented as, and you see the numbers from bottom to top. Alright, so 111 111 01010 01010. Alright, so 1 is over here, 1, triple ones 01010 01010. So you start writing the numbers from the bottom all the way to the top. Alright, and even when you're dividing, you have to divide all the way to the lowest possible number that you can find. Got it? So this is like the straightforward approach of converting a decimal number to a binary number. Now, in order for us to identify whether this number is right, whatever number that we have given is right, or if they are given a particular binary number and they have asked you to convert this into a decimal number, what you do is multiply each and every single digit that you see with powers of 2. Why? Because in the original number we started dividing all the numbers by 2. So in this case we'll be multiplying all the numbers by powers of 2. Got it? So this number is multiplied with 2 power 0. This one is multiplied with 2 power 1. This one with 2 power 2. This one with 2 power 3. This one with 2 power 4. 2 power 5. 2 power 6. And 2 power 7. So all the numbers you actually multiply with those powers and then add the sum. If you add the sum, you should get the same value as 234. Got it? So 0 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 2 and plus 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 4 and then plus 1 into 2 power 5 plus 1 into 2 power 6 and then plus 1 into 2 power 7. Okay, so this one is 0. So you have 1 into 2 power 1, which is basically 2. 0 into 2 power 0, 2 power 2 is again 0. 2 power 3 is 8. 1 into 2 power 3, which is basically 1 into 8, which is 8. And so this is done. 0 into 2 power 4 is yet again 0. And then 1 into 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is 32. So 32 into 1, which is 32. 2 power 6 is 64. So plus 64. 64 into 1, which is 64. And then 2 power 7 is 128. So 128 into 1. So if you add, this is going to be 10, and then you have a 32, which is going to be 42. So 42 plus 64 is going to be 106, and then 106 plus 128, which is going to be, which is 234. So given a binary number, if they ask you to convert to a decimal, all you have to do is starting from the right to left, you have to multiply it with powers of 2, starting from 2 power 0. So the rightmost number should be multiplied with 2 power 0, and then you start incrementing with power 1. So this with 2 power 0, the next one with 2 power 1, and the next one with 2 power 2, and so on. Multiply and get, if you add all of them, you should get the same answer, 234. Got it? So this is how you convert a binary number. Given a binary number, how you convert it into a decimal. Alright? Thank you.